We just finished our hike, coming down that trail right there, through the mountains, through the rainforest jungle, and look what is happening now. Just in time. It is a downpour. Right now, we're eating khao pie. Fried rice. Oh, there's a butterfly. Two butterflies. Oh. And now the rain comes. This is the same lake that we've been at the last day and a half or so. On the other side of it. Incredible. This is downpours. This is what I need when it rains. It rains. And you better get out if you don't want to get soaked.